Today we're taking a look at this paper cutter. Here it says LETION, but you should not care because on Amazon they are sold under many different names. EVTECK, Work Lion, and I've seen many more of these with different names, and they're all the same. So how does it work? Well, it's quite easy. It's all made of plastic, even the bottom, everywhere. And it has those small feet. There have many of them, so it doesn't slide around. And I guess it could be better because, as you can see, I can easily push it even with my fingers, but I guess you can just add different ones if you wish. It has many measurements written on the board here. You can even have this extension if you have a longer paper, so it fits better. And you can measure too. There are some angles here. Honestly, I never use those measurements. I prefer measuring with my ruler just to be sure, but why not? It's nice that they're there. Here we have the blade. So the blade is this little slidey thing, and it's quite small, but it's there. Be careful to not put your finger. It looks quite sharp. So how it works is I'll take a normal piece of paper, nothing special. You align it here depending where you want to trim it. Let's say here. And all you have to do is with your left arm or hand, just keep this plastic thing pressed so the paper doesn't move around when you're trying to cut it. So keep it like this, and with your other hand, just take this orange blade and you need to press on it. Because if you don't press, nothing will happen. But if you press, you'll make a cut. As you can see, the cut is quite nice and clean. See? I mean, here I made it myself. I'll do it again. It has absolutely no problem cutting a regular piece of paper whatsoever. So if you intend to buying it for this usage, go ahead. It will do a great job. Now, if you want to cut something thicker, like this one is 2 pieces of 65 pounds cardboard glued together. It's thick, it's very thick. And I was afraid this won't work on thicker papers or cardboard like this one. Well, it works, and I'll show you. You'll need to press a lot more, and the cut may not be 100% perfect. But again, this is about 130 pounds cardboard or cardback. So let's try. Here we go. The cut was much better than I expected. I did it many times, and sometimes it comes a bit rough, but this time it came quite well, as you can see. Obviously, the blade will get used quite faster, but you can purchase a new blade on eBay. I think I saw them. So if you want to replace it, you can do it. Here we go. Quite a nice cut again. So if you intend to use it on cardboard, well, no problem. I have here a piece of cardboard from a box. It's less thick than the other one. I mean, it is thicker, but it's empty inside. You just there. And let's see. Yeah, as you can see, if you want to cut cardboard, it won't cut all the way through, since the blade doesn't come out too much. See, you'll have the last layer to cut yourself in this case. So this is too thick to be cut. But just a cardstock, this is perfect. Now, I've been using it for about 4 months, and I made quite a lot of cuts of thick cardboard, and seriously, I'm impressed. Again, it's quite cheap on Amazon, and I prefer it compared to the paper cutter that, you know, are you know, with a blade that you go down on the paper. Since when I was doing this on my previously one, the paper tend to slide when I was doing the action. On this one, with this plastic thing keeping it from moving, you can really keep it in place, and it won't go anywhere. See? I'm really wondering the lifetime of the blade. This is something I'll have to see. But yeah, after cutting so many of these, I think it's worth it. Thanks for watching, and please give us a like if you enjoyed this small review. See you in the next one.